Alright, I'm going to be making chicken penne salad for my own recipes that I'm going to be using for the boiling water that I'm going to be starting with to salt the water. I'm going to be using 2 cups of Penne Rigate. I'm just going to put it right into this one. I'm going to cook this according to directions on the back of the box until it's nice and tender. Making sure to stir it occasionally. Just going to get to stir it around. Alright, I'll cut back. This is going to be nice and tender. Alright, we're going to finish making for the salad. I'm starting with in a large bowl. I have 4 stalks of celery that I just already minced. I minced 2 red bell peppers. I already cooked and boiled 2 cups of broccoli florets. I already cut in half for 10 ounces of organic grape tomatoes. Just going to want to stir this around. Just want to make it coated. Let's add the cooked pasta, has been already drained. After that, just very nice and tender. Just want to toss it real quick. Just keep it tossing evenly. Next, I already cooked 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts that I just already seasoned with kosher salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, dry oregano, Italian seasoning. On both sides, I put 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. In a large skillet, I cook it over medium heat or actually for a high heat until it's getting me nice and tender. I just already cut it into strips, or you can also give this to a cube. Like I have here, I just put it on a warm plate. I'm just going to add it right into this. I'm just going to keep tossing over with the chicken. See what the pasta looks very nice and tenderized. I'm going to cut 10 basil leaves. I'm going to stack it that I just already did. Roll it over, just like a jelly roll. I'm just going to slice it in. Oh yeah, don't forget to remove the stems. Start slicing it. Slice, 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 slice. Let's add the basil leaves right on here. I'm going to sprinkle it like I'm using with that. Now, I just made one recipe of the Dijon salad dressing. I'm going to put the link below at the end of this video. So let's put some Dijon salad dressing, add right into this. Give that a toss. Just coat with the salad dressing. Now finally, we're going to add the cheeses at the end. We don't want the cheese to melt it into the hot salad. Now lastly, we're going to add the cheeses. You're going to need 8 ounces that we cut in half with the fresh mozzarella plums. I only have 5 ounces, like this one. I have a brand name, Casaro fresh mozzarella plums. Like these, I just already cut in half really early. I'm going to plop it in. The cheeses. Ooh. Look at all those mozzarella. I'm just going to break it up to separate for those mozzarella. I'm going to add 6 ounces of traditional crumble feta cheese. I'm using the brand name for the Treasure Cave. Treasure Cave. This is when it looks like this. Sprinkle that. Plop it right into this one. I like to put 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Just going to toss around the cheeses. Like I said, can you see the cheese is not melting it? It's very slightly warm. I'm going to season with 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt and ground black pepper according to taste. I'm just going to keep tossing it. Just almost toss together, nice and really coat. When you're done that, we'll be ready to serve. And here's the finished chicken penne salad. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. We're always for sharing. Subscribe to my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, enjoy.